Okay, so meron na naman tayong bagong i-review, bagong i-test out, unboxing. So this is the Legends S25 revolver. This is airgun revolver. Yan, as you can see sa box nya, naka-indicate po airgun. So this is Legends revolver S25 CO2. This is pellet. So ang bala po nito ay pellets. Yan. So yan po yung pellets. So by the way, shout out kay Sir Nick of Cebu. Okay, Sir Nick. Okay, so buksan na natin. Ito yung mga kasama niya. So meron siyang kasamang manual. Yan. So this is the S25. Ayan yung mga variant ng revolver. S25, S40, and S60. So, ito yung 6 inches, ito yung 4 inches, ito naman yung 2.5 inches barrel. Ayan. So, ang available natin ay ang 2.5 inches na barrel. So, ito po yun. So, may kasama na rin siyang maintenance manual. Ayan. At may kasama siyang speed loader. Ayan, speed loader. Tapos, may kasama siyang tactical rail. Yan. Oh. So, may kasama siyang tactical rail na pwede mo siyang lagyan, sir, ng red dot optic. Katulad nito, papakita ko po. Yan, katulad po nito, sir. So, itong nakakabit dito ay the red and green dot tactical reticle 4. So, meron siya. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung yan. Ito, meron siyang 4 na reticle. Meron siyang ganyan, crosshair with circle, crosshair, circle, and the red dot. Then, meron din siyang green. Yan. Oh, iba-ibang reticle po yan. So, ito yung optic sight. So, si Legends S25 pwede siyang lagyan ng optic sight. Nakatulad nito. Yan. Pwede po. Then, meron siyang speed loader. At syempre, ito yung unit. Okay, Umarex brand. Yan. Caliber 4.5 mm or 177 pellets. Ayan, pellets. Silver. Adjustable po yung sight niya, elevation, and also windage. Ayan, adjustable siya. Ito yung shell. Ayan, 6 shots. So, bali, dito po nilalagay yung pellets. Yan yung pellets. Dito po siya nilalagay sa bungad. Ayan. Etong revolver na to ay meron na pong kasamang Umarex. This is pointed 8.20 grains or 0.53 grams na pellets. This is 500 shots. Kasama na po ito sa package. And also yung CO2 comes with 5 pieces na CO2. Okay. Then, lagyan natin siya ng silicone oil. Silicone oil. So, ito pala, nalagyan ko na po ng CO2. Yan. So, this is single and double action po, no, Sir Nick? Okay, single action, double action. Okay, so testing po natin, sir. Load lang natin. Ito pala yung speed loader. Hindi ako sanay maggamit ng speed loader eh. Ayan na lang, direkta na. So, meron din pong nabibiling shell nito. Available din po. Okay. Sir Nick of Cebu. This is your airgun pistol revolver. Legends S25. Ganda nyo. So, meron siyang safety pala. Yan. Pag isi-safe mo siya, backward lang. Pag ilalabas mo yung kanyang chamber, push mo lang forward, tapos tulak. Yan. Yan. Push forward, tulak. Okay, ganun lang. Tapos pag si-safe, ganyan lang. Push backward. Okay. Legends S25 revolver. So, testing. Okay, sir. Testing. Ang layo ko sa target. Nasa 2 to 3 meters. Legends S25 pistol. This is airgun revolver. Okay. So, try natin yung kanyang iron sight. Laglag lahat ah. Okay, another testing. Single action. Firing. Okay, so double action. Firing. Wala na. Okay, so Sir Nick of Cebu, okay na po ang inyong unit, sir. Naka-zero naman po yung kanyang iron sight. So, mayroon siyang adjuster kung gusto nyo i-adjust. This is elevation and this is windage. Pero so far, naka-zero pa po yung kanyang sight. Okay, so this is the Legends S25 by Umarex airgun pistol revolver. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.